hopefully this is all working. I have the mic like right next to my mouth. I gotta admit it is a little restricting with the breathing. We'll see what's up. Here we go, nice and easy. Come on, big girl. She always jumps right up. Dirt. Man, it just pulls. She don't really do much else. My foot come right off of there. Come on. It's not really a base here, so it's just kind of like soft snow. I don't really want to turn. Big long track too though, so yeah. I do not have my neck gaiter on, I must say. It is a little bit chilly. Not much snow, man. They're pushing it with a mountain sled. It's like a tractor or some shit. Oh, yeah, buddy. Getting it on, bro. Fuck it. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's just weeds. See, and not much snow, man. I don't want to just go through shit. Because, man, it could be a bunch of rocks and logs, shit. You never know. Skis on the ground there, bro.